Alright, I believe I'm recording. Mic is working. A little bit light here, no. Should I turn this light on? Let's see. I guess, yeah. Why not? So, wrong screen. So where are we at today? My bad about the background noise. Stupid, gardener, my neighbor's gardener, or whatever is happening. Whoa. Kind of grinded out last night. I really wanted to, so I did some leak code and then grinded out some stuff. Give me a second. Yeah. So we're on day 58. It's day 58. Yeah, so yesterday, I don't know where we left off of. Let's see where we left off of. What the fuck? Oh, when I switched. We're on up leveling our abilities on branching. So I'm gonna man, that gardener. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, so we're right here. We're around right here, huh? So how much have we finished? We finished yesterday. I did some stuff on my own, so we finished merge. We finished rebase. Reset. Cool. So now we just need remote. GitHub. I don't think this GitHub will take that long, honestly. Yeah, this doesn't look that long. Some repo shit, and that's it. And then git ignore. I guess this is like a, I don't know. I'll check it out later. Hopefully finish this by today. I'm tired of this git course, which honestly this helped a lot because I did not know a lot about well, this shit. Okay, repositories, the config, okay. This shit before, it was kind of like whatever. Like I didn't really learn anything because I knew most of everything. But when we got to branching until now reset, completely different. I did not know about branching. I finally understand it now. Merging after you branch. Rebase when you rebase is when there's a couple things I learned in rebase that I was like, damn. So yeah, it's different than merge. So I guess okay, this course showed me that on the terminal you can learn a lot of you could see something called not drawing, but it pisses me off. Not switching the main. It was like it was one line something. It was like lord, forgot. Anyways, still one line. Oh no. It's pissed me off. Whatever. I don't know. So let's get into projects. Then the web Felix. Webflix. Okay, so now we're on remote. I'll hopefully finish this right now. I got working a bit, so try to see how much I go. Get remote. Often our frenemies friended your coworkers make code changes that they could be your friend and enemies. I get it now. Can make code changes that we need to. Hey, another word, another day, another word, man. Holy shit, bro.
Begrudgingly.
Begrudgingly. that we need to begrudgingly accept it is our. Wait, what does that mean? Someone begrudgingly accepted it, but reluctantly or resentful. Okay. Credit say, oh, where are we? Sorry. Accept into our pristine bug-free repos. This is where the distributed in a distributed version control system we can have remotes, which are just external repos with mostly the same Git history as our legal. Wait. This is where the distributed and distributed version control system comes from. We have remotes, which are just external repos with mostly the same Git history. When it comes to Git, the CLI tool, there really isn't a central repo. GitHub is just someone only by convention and convenience have we as developers started together. So Simon, create a second repo called Webflix Local as a sibling directory to our original Webflix. CD. So create a whole new fucking repo? So okay, so if I do cd, if we do ls, we have these. Now if we do the fuck, so we gotta make a whole new repo. Okay, I guess, I don't know, but hopefully I'm doing this right. What do you want to call it? Webflix. So ls, we can see Webflix, so we can see the Webflix, and then the local. What do you want me to do in there? When you're done, your directory should look like Webflix. Okay, I guess. So you want me to run it from inside the new? Okay. Run. I'm like 90% sure this is work, because there's one thing that I'm. Oh shit. Yeah, see, I knew it. When it says create a new repo, so get in it, then I do. There it is. Okay, yeah, that was the thing that I was confused about. I was like, fucking get in it. I did not do. Just want to. Okay, so adding a remote in Git, another repo is called remote. Hey, Git, another repo is called remote. Standard convention is that when you're treating the remote as an authoritative source of truth, such as GitHub, you would name it the origin. When you're treating the remote as the authoritative source of truth, such as GitHub, you would name it the origin. Okay, by authoritative source of truth, we mean that it's the one you and your team treat as a true repo. It's the one that contains the most up-to-date version of the accepted code. So command, okay. So inside of the repo, give it a name, origin. So basically, we just could copy this command, and then we're gonna name the I might not do the second URI thing right, because I don't know. So the name of the agreement of origin. Holy shoot, I can't spell origin. Then we got the URI, which I'm guessing if we just put, I guess it's saying web flicks. I hope that's right. It might not be. I'm like not 100% sure. I'm being really honest. The syntax for the web flicks at the end might not be right. Yeah, fuck. Saying this. Wait, so dot dot? So are you talking about this should be dot dot? Is that what we're doing? I gotta have ChatGPT this because I'm actually confused. What? Get remote set URL. That is not the syntax it gave me. Sorry guys about the background noise. Oh, yeah. URL. Origin. There. Ah, fuck you, man. Alright. Fetch. Adding a remote to our GitHub repo does not mean that it automatically have all the contents of the remote. First, we need to fetch the contents. Assignment. Before fetching the data itself, let's take a look about the empty. Okay, fine. Okay, let's try it out. Yeah, it's the object info, and object spec. Should have early empty with 3 entries because we haven't fetched anything yet. Okay. Yep, you proved your point. Let's run this shit. Let's see what the next thing is. Making fetch happen. Now bring the remote webflix repo into our local repo. We have to fetch it. So command git fetch. Cool. So run git fetch inside. Okay, download copies of all the git object directory from the repo to the current one. Oh, this is nice. So we're gonna run git fetch, then run find git. So find dot git slash objects. I don't think you need that. Jesus. So all these the objects that we were okay. Should work. Not in mode. Cool. Not fetch. Just because we fetch all the metadata from the remote webflex repo doesn't mean we have all the files. Assignment. Just run git log. So we're running git log. Yeah, let's try it. So yeah, there's nothing fatal. Your current branch main doesn't have any commits here. It's you should have any commits. No. So run and submit the CLI test inside the. Okay. So you just want to see that it doesn't have a fucking any commits? That's kinda weird. Alright, give me 1 second. I have to shoot a text. Okay. Log remote. The git log command isn't only useful for your local repo. You can log commits of a remote repo as well. Damn. Well, there's nothing there, huh? There's no... Yeah. Makes sense. Well, no, that command shouldn't even work because remote branch is not even fucking something. We gotta do the git log for the assignment on the remote Webflix repos updated Dune branch. So we gotta go to the not the local. We have to go to cd Webflix. Then we gotta do git log. What are we doing? So the remote update Dune update. I guess Dune branch using the online flag. Do it within the. Son of a bitch. What's the other one called? Oh, let's look over this way. Okay, I'm kind of confused how I should the syntax for how to do this command. So git log remote branch. So I gotta do git log. What do you mean branch using this flag? Doesn't make sense. That does not make sense. Oh, at the end. Did it say to fetch it? I think we're good, no? Yeah, we can submit it. Whoa, what the fuck? So merge. We merge branches from a single local repo. We can also merge branches from local and remote repos. Okay, so syntax. Merge a remote branch. For example, if we want to merge permission branch of a remote origin into your local main branch, you'll run this inside. So merge the origin branch of the repo. Wait, so we want to merge permission branch. We have a permission branch of the remote origin into your local main. So we would have to be in the main branch while on the main branch. Yes, you see inside the local repo while on the main branch. That makes sense. So then what we have to do with this assignment, we would have to do. So merge the remote origin main to make a clean fast forward merge. So merge the origin main. So make sure it works with git log. Okay, I'm going too fast. So merge the remote. So if we do, we have to go into the main, huh? So we're gonna have to go like this, and then we're gonna cd into web, and then we do git merge. We gotta merge the. Dude, I suck at this shit. So then, yes, we're gonna be inside. Why would I be in Webflix? I thought you have to be in the main one. Are you dead ass? There's no way I have to be on. There's no. I don't get it. Oh, sorry. Use this. Then we do. See, it doesn't work. It does not work. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck everything. There's no way, no, it has to be in the main. I'm in the local, bro. I know I am. I guess we just check out main. Already on main. So get fetch origin. Origin. Yeah. So if I do get merge the origin to the main, it's already up to date. I don't. Cause I think we have to be in the main. Is it talking about the main in the other one? Did I already do it before? Okay, I did not mean to do that. Control C. I did not mean to put that slash. Then I go here. Alright, so now we're done with remote. Now it's just a GitHub one. What time is it? Where are we? So GitHub repo, just like we created a Webflix repo, and use that Webflix as a remote. GitHub makes it easy to create remote repos that are hosted on their servers. So, assignment: create a new repository on GitHub called Webflix. Leave it completely blank and make sure it's public. For now, you can always change it later. Authenticate your local Git configuration. Okay, give me a sec. I don't know if there's gonna be some shit that I cannot show. What do I name it? Webflix. Okay. Now what? Leave it completely blank and make sure it's public. Okay, I'm leaving it completely blank and I'm making sure it's public. Now what do you want me to do? Authenticate your local Git configuration with your GitHub account. Install the Git. Alright guys, I don't know if I'm supposed to be showing. Oh shit. I think we're good. So make sure you authenticate. Okay, so get auth login. Oh, nice. Oh fuck. So make sure you got this here. I guess, I don't know. Oh, okay. Now what? Press enter, enter. Hey, let's go. Alright, good thing I did not show this on my video. If for some reason it fails on the clone, navigate back to your Webflix repo locally. It could be your local repo. You can forget about or delete Webflix local if you want. Add a remote. So to your Webflix repo that points to your GitHub repo, the command should look like this. Oh, okay, let me see. Where's the command? Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, remote add. Oh, nice. Sorry, I can't show this. There's some shit that I don't want to show. You should replace. Shit. Software run git ls remote. Should work. I am like 90% sure this was gonna work. Yes, it worked. Damn, this section is gonna be longer. Fuck. I think I'm gonna stop here and do this later. How much we have? We have GitHub. Oh my lord. This is some shit. Okay, we gotta do that. Nice. And then we have this. Nice. Alright, once we finish that, later today I'm on my own. I'm gonna finish the object oriented. This whole section right here, the last section, polymorphism, will be done. It will be done, and then we can so tomorrow's video, most likely I will be building the Asteroids game for the video. And then once we finish this, we'll start learning functional programming. I actually did start this already a little bit. I think I did a recursion, which we'll be doing again from the beginning. So yeah, yeah guys, so I guess that's today's video. I gotta head to work, so alright guys, later.